Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to earn trading cards on Steam fast. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To earn trading cards on Steam quickly, you can't follow these general steps. So the first step would be, trading cards are often associated with playing certain games on Steam. Make sure the games you play support Steam trading cards. Another guide: not all games on Steam have trading cards. Check the game's Steam store page to see if it offers trading cards. You can find this information under the Steam trading cards section. Another tip guide: some games offer trading card drops as you play. Usually, you'll receive a limited number of card drops per game, after which you won't receive more until a specific time period has passed. Some games grant card drops even if you're idling, running the game without actively playing. However, not all games support this, and it might violate the terms of service for some games. Another guide: once you've collected a set of trading cards for a specific game, you can craft a badge. Crafting badge not only levels up your Steam profile, but it also grants you Steam profile backgrounds, emoticons, and more. Another guide: if you don't want to craft badges, you can sell or trade your cards on the Steam Marketplace. This can be a way to earn Steam Wallet funds to buy games or items. Now, remember that the availability and mechanics of trading cards can vary from game to game, so it's a good idea to check the specifics for each game you're interested in. Additionally, Steam's policies might change over time, so staying updated on the latest information is essential. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.